Your Android phone can store a lot of data and your private data as well. The most common data which you may like to keep private is your personal photos and videos. If you have any photos or videos in your phone that you may not like anyone seeing, then it is better to hide them. You never know when you may have to give your phone to someone else or show someone family photos and accidentally end up showing your private photos. To save yourself from such embarrassments, it is better to hide all your private photos and videos or any other files today. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can hide your photos and videos or any other personal files on Android. Method on Android by default comes with the ability to hide folders. However, it requires you to use a file explorer to control the Android system from the backstage. If you don't have a built-in file explorer, then you can also use a third-party file explorer. You can also connect your phone to a PC and follow the steps of this tutorial from the PC and it will work. In this tutorial, I am going to use the ES File Explorer to hide folders. It is quite simple to use and offers some really robust features while having a high rating on Google Play Store. Open the File Explorer and you will see all your Android folders. Here we need to create a new hidden folder in which you will add all your private files. To create a hidden folder, tap on New from here and then tap on Folder. You will be prompted to give the folder a name. To hide the new folder, you need to add a dot before the name of the folder and it will be marked as hidden for Android system. I am typing .root_expert for my hidden folder's name. Once the folder is created, you can just move all your files which you would like to hide to this new folder using the same file explorer, and Android system will not be able to read this data. This folder can only be accessed through the file manager and you can hide it in the file manager as well. Just tap on the main menu on the upper left corner and from there uncheck the show hidden files option and they will be hidden in file manager as well. You will have to check the option again in order to open the hidden files. Method 2. Hide your photos and videos in a folder. You can also use a file manager to hide photos and videos in a specific folder. To do this, open the specific folder and tap on New from here. When prompted, tap on File and name the file .nomedia and save it. .nomedia works as a simple command that will hide all pictures and videos in the specific folder. You will still be able to see data using the file manager, but it will be hidden in the main interface of your Android phone. If you would like to see the data again, delete the .nomedia file you just created. Method 3. Hide files or folder by rename. You can also use a file manager to hide a specific file or folder. To hide any file or folder, just long press on the file or folder, then tap on rename. Then type a dot before the file or folder name and save that. If you would like to see the data again, just cut the dot from the first place of the data's name. These three methods will hide the files, which can be more than enough in many situations. However, anyone with some tech knowledge will be able to see your hidden data using the file manager. If you know about any other interesting way to hide files on an Android phone, let us know in the comments. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.